Chennai feels mild tremors as 5.1 magnitude earthquake hits Bay of Bengal. The quake, reported at 12:35 p.m., was at a depth of 10 kilometers in the Bay of Bengal. Mild tremors were felt in pockets of Chennai post-noon today following a 5.1 magnitude earthquake in the Bay of Bengal. Residents in Besant Nagar, Tiruvannmiyur, Mylapore and Orwapet say they felt slight tremors for a few seconds. These are areas closer to the sea. The quake was a Category 7 in the tremor intensity, considered very strong. The epicenter lay 296 kilometers southeast of Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh and 320 kilometers southeast of Chennai, Tamil Nadu. People in those localities felt a force. Many have taken to social media sharing their experience. However, there are no reports of any damage to life or property. Giving specific details of the earthquake, the National Center for Seismology tweeted, "Earthquake of magnitude 5.1, occurred on the 24th of August, 2021, 12:35 and 50 seconds IST, lat. 14.40 and long, 82.91, depth, 10 km, location, 296 km SSE of Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, India." Thanks for watching our video. To watch more facts on various topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel neonforge. Stay safe. See you in another topic. Take care, bye bye.